So today we're going to learn how to write the expression. Last class you learned the pattern of the shapes. Okay, so everything have a rule, have a pattern. And basically everything have a language. We have English, we have French, we have Chinese. So math has its own language as well. Whatever written in mathematical language in English can be rewrite in formula or different sign. So before we start, when we start, let's look at number 1. Okay? Number 1 says write an expression represent 30. So we have a number 30 less than. What does less than mean? Minus. So less than means minus. Is 30 minus the number behind it or the number behind it minus 30? That's right. Number behind it minus 30. Reason why? Because 30 is less means it's smaller, right? We always use the bigger number, subtract the smaller number. Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So it's something minus 30. And then what is the number that minus 30? After less than, it says the quotient. What is quotient? What is quotient? Quotient means divide. Okay, quotient means divide. So quotient is divide, or you can use like a fraction line. Okay, divide or fraction line. Quotient of 340 and 10. Whatever numbers come first, go on top of the fraction line. Whatever number comes second, go under the fraction line. Or it's 340 divided by 10. That's it. This is how you write mathematical expression. Okay? So you see how we translate English into math? You will see a lot of those in the future. Second one. Okay? Second one. Write an expression represent 7 times. This is straightforward, right? We have a number 7. And what is time? Very good. Times is multiplied. The times is multiplied is something we use in daily basis, right? So 7 multiply. And then it says the difference. What does the difference means? Subtract. Very good. Subtract. So subtract between 32 and 4. So whenever you see difference or you see sum with subtract or addition, you have to put those numbers into parentheses. Okay? So it's 32 minus 4. Let me show you another one. What if I do not put that difference into parentheses? What if I write 7 times 32 minus 4? Is the second one in pink the same as the expression we're writing down? No, very good. Why is that?
There's no parentheses, so you can do whatever you want.
That's right. So the actual expression, we have parentheses. That means what do we do first? We do the difference first, right? So it aligns with the difference between 32 and 4. Okay, so we do this first. However, if we do not have the parentheses, what do we do first in the pink? What do we do first? In the pink expression, what do we do first? In the pink one, we don't have a parentheses. So if we don't have parentheses, what do we do first? Very good. If we don't have a parentheses, that means we do the 7 times 32 first. Is that the same as the word, the English expression that we're supposed to do? No. So writing out parentheses are very important. So there are many different English words can directly translate into mathematical symbol. So let's look at them. Let's make a list. we have, let me use yeah, blue is fine. We have so we have more than, right? What does more than mean? More than can be translated into what kind of symbol? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. What? Plus. More than can be translated into plus. Less than translate into what? Subtraction. Okay. Then times multiplication, and sometimes you will see off. Off means what? Off, you will see some example like, okay, we have 20% of 60 students. Okay? So what does that off mean? Off can be translated into add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Multiply. Okay? So whenever you see off basically means multiply. So 20% of 60 students is 20% times 60. Okay? Then whenever you see quotient, quotient, it means divide. Okay? And also, you see sum of or sum between. Sum is parentheses and it's plus. Okay? Difference is the parentheses with minus. And also, there are several words that indicate equal to. Okay? Equal to, it has word like equal, or is, or are, or you can hear like produce, some words like that, they all means equal. For example, some question in the future will ask you, what is, that's not a question. Some question will ask you, okay, a number times 7 is 28. Okay? A number times 7 is 28. When we learned variable in the future, we know a number is x. Times 7 means multiply 7 is 28, is equal sign equal to 28. I'm just giving you a preview of what we're going to learn like soon. But just write the list down. So when you see the expression, or write an expression question, you know roughly what translates to what. Okay?